Here's a quick guide on what to do if someone suddenly becomes unresponsive. This is hands only CPR for everyday emergencies. Step 1. Always check that the area around the person is safe for both of you. Step 2. Tap their shoulders and shout, "Are you okay?" If they don't respond, move to the next step. Step 3. Call emergency services immediately. Put your phone on speaker so that you can start CPR. Step 4. Check for normal breathing. If they're not breathing or only gasping, start CPR right away. Place both hands in the center of the chest. Push hard and fast, at least 100 to 120 times per minute.
Come on, stay with me.
Allow the
One,
chest to
two.
rise fully between
Come
each
on, stay with
push.
me. One, two.
Remember, guys, use hands only CPR unless you're trained in rescue breaths. Continue CPR without stopping until someone takes over, help arrives, or the person starts responding. Learning these simple steps can save a life. Subscribe for more quick first aid guide.